Hello, today we're going to be doing a video about these, to do the swap for the 5.0 badges, for the LMR, the Growler badges for 11 and 14. And I'm going to show you guys how to install it. I have a 14 Coyote, and yeah. And you're going to need a blow dryer for your hair, well, that's a fishing line, and some tape to mask it off. The first process of taking it off is you're gonna mask off around the badge with some blue tape, and then you're gonna get your heater, apply heat around it, but don't keep it in the center of anything because you can probably burn through it or something. And just use some fishing wire to cut it off, and it'll come off like this. Pretty simple after, and just get glue gun and take it off. This is the end result with the badges on, nice and clean. Just gotta make sure when you install them to line them up with the other side. And I'm gonna plan on coloring the eye red so it can look cool little detail. So this is how it looks now. Go to the other side. Looks good. Something different, but appreciate it.